from Create with Scrimping Mummy. I've got a new collection to share with you, and this will be for sale in my Ko-fi shop. Links in the description box below. So it's a 27-page collection. It's beautiful and it is all based on collage. So these are really perfect for any kind of vintage or shabby style journal. The main focal point are these lovely ladies here, hence I'm calling it Vintage Beauties Collage. So 27 pages, and we've got 3 different colourways. Okay, so we've got a blue set, we've got a green set, and we've got a purple set. So there's something for everybody and something to fit a variety of colour themes. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you. This is the blue set, absolutely beautiful. So we've got a landscape collage there, so you could use it as a full journal page, just fold it in half, boom, you're already good to go. Or you can cut them up, you can rip them, you can do what you want with them. They're absolutely lovely. And so what I do is I'll create the main collage, and then I'll create different pages from that collage. So here we've got it in all its true colours with a distress over the top. It's a very subtle distress, but it's very, very pretty. And you've got lots of detail in there, but sticking to the blue colours. Okay, and then I've done them in portrait. I'm zoomed quite in, so it might not fit. So basically, I take the collage and I'll create portrait. Now, bear in mind that all of my collections are available in A4 and US letter size, JPEG and PDF. So if you make a purchase, you're going to have several files, so you'll have to look carefully. So for example, if you're an A4 user, look for the A4 files. You're going to have a blue file, a green file and a purple file, and they will be in JPEG and PDF. So there's going to be quite a lot of files to look through, and I've done it that way so that they download faster for you rather than lumping them all in one. Okay, so that is the portrait one. So if you're doing a tall skinny journal, or you're doing a folio or an album, you've got it in that orientation so that it's more versatile. Okay, and then here's another one, which is another part of the collage that I've blown up to have in portrait. Beautiful. And when they're blown up, you can see all of the detail and all of the writing and all of the dates on everything. It's just lovely. Then I've done them in a sepia kind of effect, okay, which drains the colour and gives this kind of like browns and creams. So, you know, if you're doing a collage that's all blue, this would go just beautiful. So we've got it in the portrait. I don't know if I've done this one in the landscape. I'm not sure, I can't remember. I've blinked. But it's really, really beautiful. Then we've got some tags. Obviously, you know, you could just get your collage sheets and make your own tags, but these have been sized down. So this image, as you can see, is a lot smaller than this image, okay? You wouldn't be able to size it down in tag shape form the same that I can on my software. So we've got some beautiful tags there. I've done some in the blue and one in the sepia. Then I've done a full blue one. So I've turned the entire collage all blue. It's absolutely lovely. Beautiful as a background, beautiful on its own. And yes, I have done it in the sepia as well. So that's that one. And then in the blue one, we've got some journaling cards, and we've got a small, I call them money envelopes. Okay, so that's the blue one. So the green one, you know, it's a similar sort of theme. I've created a collage and then I've reused the images to create different page styles. But by doing that, you know you're going to get coordination, and you could make a journal using all 3 of these colours, and it will look absolutely amazing. So there we've got the portrait, beautiful, absolutely stunning. We've got it in the sepia tones. Now I've not done them just plain brown. These have got a bit of tone, so you can still see a skin tones. It's got little touches of cream in. It's really, really lovely. Then I've turned one into completely green. So you've got your green tone there. Beautiful. and then I've blown it up into 2 separate landscape ones with the full true colour. Again, you can see all of the beautiful detail. That will go to a journal page, and you've got all of the full detail there. So we've got that one, and then we've got this one. Now, I have previously given a few sample pages of this collection in my Facebook group. It was time limited, and so they're no longer available for free. Okay, I also did give my Ko-fi subscribers some pages as a sample, but there's extra pages in this collection. Ko-fi subscribers are going to get this collection at 50% off. It's budget friendly anyway, but they're going to get a coupon code to get this at 50% off. That's one of the benefits of being a subscriber on my Ko-fi. So here we go. You can see, although I've turned it into the sepia, we've still got the lovely warm tones. You can see the blush on her cheeks. It's just really lovely. And the same there as well. Okay. And then this one has tags and journaling cards. And some more tags that I have taken from the sepia tone pages. It's just beautiful. So then we've got the purples. Okay, again, another stunning collage. So this is the original that the collection's made from. Stunning. So the blue one, the green one, and the purple one are all different. They've got the layouts are different. They've got different ladies, different colours, and they've got some different ephemera. Some that I've used again. I think I've used this a couple of times. What else have I used? I might have used that and that a couple of times. Otherwise, they're different. They've got different backgrounds, different flowers. They're different butterflies to fit in with each one. So that's the main one. And then that's the one. Now, this is not quite sepia. This is a toned down version of the purple. So it's almost like a mauve. So it's just giving you a lot of versatility. Okay. Then we've got the blown up portrait. Again, beautiful for your tall, skinny journals. Great for making your covers for your journals. Perfect for anything. Absolutely anything. You can cut elements out. You can do what you want with them. You could make your own tags and your own journaling cards. And there's the one in the toned down purple. So it's not quite sepia. You can still see the purple tones here as opposed to the, you know, the browns. It's lovely. Okay, and there's the blown up one. Again, so we've got them in landscape and portrait. Okay, a selection. Another one. So you can see the different colour tones there. They're totally and utterly different, but they're still super pretty. Okay, and then I've done the whole thing in the purple tone. It's really beautiful. Really beautiful. Almost like a ghost print. It's lovely. And I can imagine some of these are printed on vellum and they're just going to look delightful. Then we've got 2 sets of tags. So we've got some in the muted purple and some in the true purple. So you've got lots and lots to play with there. So 27 pages of beautiful, beautiful vintage collage. Perfect to make a complete journal using all 3 colours, or mix and match with your collections that you've already got. So as I say, very budget friendly. All of my digitals always are. 50% off to Ko-fi users. Obviously I'll be announcing that over there in the club and giving them the code. So yeah, check out the links below and grab yourself an absolute bargain for 27 pages of beautifulness. I think you'll agree they're gonna really add something special to your journal making, or indeed create a beautiful journal just using these, because there is more than enough for you to create with. And I'll finish off with the beautiful blue one, which I absolutely love. I can't decide which is my favourite colour because I love them all. I hope you do too. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.